Once upon a time, in a magical forest, there lived a tiny snake named Nagini. Nagini was no ordinary snake. She was a kind and gentle serpent with shimmering scales that sparkled in the sunlight. One day, Nagini felt a little lonely. She lived deep in the forest, far from other creatures. She wished she had a friend to play with and share stories. As Nagini was musing, she heard a soft, whimpering sound. Curious, she followed the sound and found a small, lost kitten near a nearby stream. The kitten was frightened and cold, and Nagini felt a warm heart for the little creature. Nagini gently approached the kitten, coiling herself around the innocent creature to keep it warm. The kitten, initially scared, soon realized that Nagini meant no harm and began to purr softly. From that day, Nagini and the kitten became the best of friends. They played together, shared stories, and Nagini taught the kitten how to slither gracefully like her. The kitten, in turn, showed Nagini how to playfully pounce and climb trees. The forest was never the same again. Nagini's loneliness vanished, and the forest was filled with laughter and joy. The animals of the forest would gather to watch as Nagini and the kitten played, and they admired their unique friendship. As the sun set, Nagini and the kitten would curl up together under a big tree, their friendship growing stronger each day. And every night, as they fell asleep, the forest was filled with the sound of their purrs and hisses, a melody that soothed the night. And so, Nagini, the magical snake, and her best friend, the little kitten, lived happily in their cozy corner of the magical forest, teaching others the importance of friendship and kindness. They were a reminder that even the most unexpected friendships can bring the most joy. The end.